So this is a Amazon Basics 6 knife set. My family uses these. They do a great job. So there's 6 knives. Crazy, I know, but they have, you know, different colors, and I think they're really nice colors. They're fun to look at, and I think it's fun to see them in the drawer whenever we pull them out. But you have different sizes for each of them. So you have this smaller one, you have this bigger one, and you know, the smaller ones you could probably use for small fruits or vegetables, maybe potatoes. You know, they look to be kind of the same. This blue one maybe could be like a meat knife, not entirely sure, but it's different from the others. This orange one, I mean, if you can't tell, I'm not a cooking or a kitchen expert, but it looks like just a bigger one of these smaller knives, so probably for bigger stuff. This is a bread knife, I do know that, thanks Mom, but you know, use this to cut bread. And last one is kind of this bigger one that you could probably use for melons, bigger stuff. And yeah, they come with their own sheaths that you can put them in. They do a good job at keeping yourself and kids safe, and I believe they're dishwasher friendly. One sec. I checked, they are dishwasher friendly. So great set of knives. Grab them if you need some. And yeah.